Yeah.
Hello everyone, this is Team Atreya, Amala and Mayra, and today we're going to be demoing our submission for the first print, which is a Chrome extension called Linker. Now, what is Linker? How does it work? How do you use it? And why should you use it? We'll be going over all of these points sequentially. So the first and foremost question is, what is Linker? So Linker is your one-stop open source solution to find broken links on deployed pages. So it's a Chrome extension that is designed to grab all broken links on the page that are tagged with an href on the page that you're running the extension on. And you can either have the broken links emailed to you or you can have them shown to you as a Chrome alert. So our target audience is primarily web developers because they are the ones who actually work with all these links. And this extension is a developer tool that users can use to quickly perform final link checks instead of checking every single link individually. Now, using the Linker Chrome extension, so how do you actually use it? So the very first thing that you obviously have to do is click on the link icon. It's a bit unclear right now. We'll be changing the icon soon. So here you have two options. Either you can get it shown to you as a window pop-up, so you don't have to input anything separately. You can just click on the button. Or if you want to have it emailed to you, which we are using SendGrid to do, you can input your email as input here, and then you can click on Send Broken Links. So I'm just going to be demoing this very quickly. So first of all, let's look at the more interesting part, which is the email part, right? So this is my burner email ID. I don't really use this much. It's very obvious because you can see Reddit post here. So as you can see, there is no email called broken links, right? So that's there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly run my extension on this. So I'm just going to show you the console as well. And I'm just going to be refreshing the page because this seems to, I ran it earlier just to test. So, okay, there we go. Now I'm just going to run the extension quickly. So my burner email ID, I'll just quickly show it to you. It is atreyamars2399 at gmail.com. So, oh my God, sorry. I'll just start sharing them. Yeah. So it's atreyamars23 at 2399 at gmail.com. So that is what I'm going to be putting in here. So there you go, atreyamars2399 at gmail.com. And I'm going to click on send broken links. So it's just going to iterate through all the links and you can see what's going on there. And then it says mail sent. So now that it says mail sent, I'm just going to go over to my inbox and I'm going to refresh. And we have an email that says check for broken links. And we have a very nice template going on here with a minimalistic design over here. And we have all the broken links that we found on the website over here. So the convenient thing about this website is that the broken links are actually highlighted over here. I mean, nothing special, it's just that there is this, but then this doesn't matter for our extension. And you can see like these are the exact ones, yahoo.com, cookie mookie spooky, drink words. Now these are the exact ones that we got, drink words, cookie mookie spooky, and yahoo.com. Okay, so now that that's done, we'd like to show you the other part of this, which is the pop-up, right? So we'll be demoing this on the pod orientation hackathon website that we made. So what we found was we actually have quite a few broken links on this website. And there's a lot of links on this website, right? Because we have 15 members in a pod and there's like 3 to 4 links per person at the very least. So we're looking at least 45 to 60 links at the very minimum, right? So I'm just going to be opening the console so that you guys can see what's going on. I'm just going to be clicking here and click on window.pop-up. So now what's actually happening is there's a foreground and a background. So the foreground is actually gathering all the links using the href tag that I talked about before. And each and every single link is being iterated through, and we're pinging each of those links and getting a response status back. Now, if the response status is 200, it means that the link is working properly, right? And is working as it should, and it's absolutely fine. So we continue, we move on to the next link. Now, the thing is, if there's an error like 404 or 500, then we flag it as a broken link and we push it into an array called link array, which we then use to send the email, right? So as you can see, we have found all broken links. So these are all the broken links. So we should be notifying our board mates here. So yeah, that is it for our demo. If there are any questions, we'd be very happy to answer them. And that is it for now. Thank you.